Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to bury negative Google search results. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to bury negative Google links with a suppression strategy. Use a communications plan to create content and keep your messaging really tight about boosting your online reputation. What's important about communications plan is it's going to keep your brand messaging consistent so that every time you're publishing content about your brand, it means something. It's about one direct message and it's driving your audience to a common goal. And I'm going to teach you how to create that content. How do we sit down and write a long-form article about ourselves? And how do we publish this on Google? I'm going to teach you exactly how in order to fix your online reputation. So let's jump on my computer and let's get started. In today's video, the concept of this is writing a long-form article, publishing that long-form article, and then having it appear on Google search to suppress the negative content. The thing about online reputation management is, it's like a brilliant marriage of public relations and journalism. Right in the middle, you have online reputation management pieces. They're promotional, but they're also written in a tone where they appear journalistic. Now what we do is we hire publishers to publish those articles from different outlets. So it appears that we have this international news coverage about the amazing things that we're doing. And that plan, that communications plan, keeps that messaging really tight and consistent so that once you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 articles, they work together to serve a common goal. So you can make more money in your business. So you can convert hires or you can have a higher trust score. So, stakeholders invest millions of dollars in your corporation. There are so many different things you can do just by wielding the power of online reputation management. And I'm going to show you how. Let's jump right into this document over here. Biggest thing, your name or client's name must appear in the headline all the time. So let's say your name is Jane Doe. We need something that Jane Doe does. When we set up an article, in order for it to read like news, it needs to be sinful. S-I-N. What does that mean? S for significant, I for interesting, and N for new. So in order to write a news story, it needs to be significant, interesting, and new. You want to create a positive media about yourself. You're Jane Doe. Ask yourself, what's your industry? It could be fitness. We can't think of news yet. If we don't have a newsworthy thing to write about, you can just write, Jane Doe is good at fitness. She has good clients. It's promotional and people are going to be able to tell it's bluff. We want to write it in a way that reverse engineers the way we want people to feel about us, the way we want them to treat us, and the direct actions we want them to take with our businesses. So let's say you're a fitness expert. Let's get specific. You're a personal trainer. You don't have an event yet. Nothing newsworthy has happened. Why don't you do something amazing? Why don't you host a fitness training session for elderly people in the park? That's nice. That's charitable. Bad people don't do that. We're even going to make it free because you're just such an amazing person. And here's the trick. Don't lie about it. Go onto Facebook, create an event, free fitness session for elderly people in the park. Hopefully you're not going to hurt the old people's legs. You're actually going to run the event, but since you did it, why not become your own publicist? Here we go, let's create a headline. Jane Doe hosts charitable training session for elderly people in the park. Let's put like Sydney, Australia. There we go. Next, once we rank this article, something's going to look up Jane Doe, Sydney, California, and they're going to see Jane Doe hosts charitable training session for the elderly. Let's write that down. Jane Doe is hosting a charitable training session for the elderly. So here's another sentence I created. Jane has had a long history of hip dysplasia, but decided to become a personal trainer to show people they can overcome obstacles in their lives. Wow, that's nice. And then we're going to go in and we'll just keep writing the article like this. We're going to fill up a 500-word count. So it's going to be one more fact about that thing in the park. You're going to start with a lead. The most important thing first, you're going to write this like a news story. Again, you're going to fill this up for about 500 words, 1,000 words will rank it better, and this is how we create our articles. Next, what do you do once you finish writing it? So I've given you a sneak peek, I've given you a glimpse at how we write these sort of articles, but what I want to do is jump in and show you how once this article is written, how do we hire somebody to publish it, how do we get it to rank on Google. There are so many best practices. But before we jump into all of them, you want the headline because that's what people are seeing on Google. Jane Doe is doing a charitable event in the park. People see you and they associate you with charity. Okay, so let's jump into the strategy. Search Fiverr on Google, click the first one. Now go to Search tab and search Publish News Article. So we have here, I will publish news on the Reeds Herald. I will publish news articles or blogs. I will write and publish article or interview on Newsbreak. I will publish an interview or article on USA top newspaper website, etc. So you're going to have to be taking care of many things if you're doing this yourself. But that being said, I believe in you and I know you can do it. If you need more help, you want a communication strategy, you want it written in journalistic style, you need everything, you need the confidence, they all are here to help. But this is all you have to do. You go into Fiverr, you look it up, you choose one of these. It's as simple as choosing this one, creating an account, clicking continue, paying them, sending them the document. You want to export the document as Word document and send it to them. It's going to be published in 2 days? 2 days, you're going to get a link. Easy as that. So there you have it. That's a quick way you can boost your online reputation and make it rank on Google search. Before we end, let me introduce to you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. Create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. Build your successful online business without breaking a sweat. Create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. Supports all major payment gateways and memberships. 30+ ready-made funnel and opt-in templates. Email marketing using inbuilt autoresponder. Membership system to create free or paid memberships. Easy one-click install, no coding or knowledge of hosting required. So get CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.